show you how to create a plan to pay off debt using Copilot in Excel. Start with your debt details in Excel. For example, a few credit cards you need to pay off. Include current balances and interest rates. Click on the Copilot icon to launch chat. Now ask Copilot to help. Try a prompt like, I have 3 credit cards with different balances and interest rates I'm trying to pay off. If I have $500 a month to use, which card should I pay off first and how should I allocate payments? Copilot instantly provides a recommended payoff strategy and breakdown for how to allocate your $500 to each card. You can even compare different payment allocation plans. For example, just ask Copilot, what if I had an additional $150 a month for payments? How much would I save in interest? Copilot will update the payment plan based on the new monthly amount you have available and calculate how much you'd save under the schedule. Feel free to continue to test different payment scenarios until you land on a plan that makes the most sense for your finances and goals. And that's it! Like and subscribe to learn more about Copilot.